My people, now well done no. You get this promo where one expert they do. Them they call them hyper bonus. If you bet between 4 to 25 games for accumulator, we get nothing less than 1.2 odds per game. And the enter, them go increase your win by 5 to 250% depending on the number of games where you bet. As you dey go register, try use our promo code JNEXT so that you go get 200% of your initial deposit to take bet. Remember to read their rules and conditions for every promo and don't forget to bet with sense. Thank you.
Oga Tata, I see your boys no fit score even one goal for EPL this month. Which goal una go use do una EPL goal of the month? People dey talk say una go use goal wey una score for training.
We score goal against West Brom. We go carry one inside them, do goal of the month.
But West Brom no dey EPL.
You no matter.
Una dey even score during training.
Which kind dirty question be that one?
Oga Teta, half of Arsenal fans don decamp and 90% of the remaining half don get heart attack where dem dey watch Arsenal match. Wetin you get to tell their families?
No be me give them heart attack. Make them go hospital.
We get intel say some group of Arsenal fans dey plan kidnap you. Go where dem go teach you small lesson on how to get coaching sense.
Them no fit. Who them be? Make them come, make I blast their brains comot. Nonsense.
Dem don carry light oh.
Hey, clear road. Who be that?
Yeah, who the homie?
Oh my god.
Where Kochi dey?
E be like say them don't kidnap am or.
What?
Who na be? And where na carry me go?
No worry, you go soon know. But now after you don't answer all our questions.
Wait oh, which kind heater dey feel for my body like so? Make una no touch me oh, because I go blast person head with my pump action.
Shut up there!
Who you dey tell shut up?
Bros, abeg, help me shook am that thing.
Choke me waiting. Ah! It hot!
We have started to answer our questions, one after the other.
Okay sir.
Why you never resign since make another coach enter?
Abeg no be me wey no wan resign. Na Oga Kurenke say make I dey because the money wey I dey collect no plenty until say I no too get experience. Yes sir.
Give him another one.
Abeg. Ah! That is hot na.
I know say e hot.
But I dey answer your question na. Why still dey chook me the thing?
You know how many Arsenal fans wey don die because of heart attack wey you give them?
No sir, but no be me cause am na. Na the players wey no gree play better ball.
You still dey talk say no be your fault, abi?
Ah! Abeg, I never wan die.
No! You must to join those Arsenal fan spirit. Make them follow mend you. So that for your next life, if you hear Arsenal, na how you go run.
Abeg. My contract never finish now. I dey in the process of rebuilding Arsenal. Before my contract finish, we go strong pass Man City sef. Our young players like Smith Rowe and Saka go dey carry world best. Just believe in the process.
Which process? You wan carry us go relegation? You dey talk process. One goal, we never even score.
But we score West Brom now.
Your papa?
Ah!
No be say dem even carry their better players come play yourself. Season never start. Xhaka don already start to dey collect red card. Dem be wan transfer the guy go Roma, where him go dey play the kind ball wey Mourinho and Italy like. You no gree. You block the transfer.
Abeg, sorry now.
God punish you there.
Ah!
All the other fans dey laugh us now. Na only us for inside EPL never score goal. You just dey shatter all the negative records. Since when dem born me, Arsenal never go relegation. No be you go carry us go. God forbid bad thing. Now we go kill you.
Abeg, pity me now.
Now you spend money pass for this transfer window. Now you still dey play rubbish pass. How you go spend 30 million euros? Buy keeper wey don help 2 different clubs go relegation 2 seasons in a row.
No 24 million we buy am sir.
You see dey talk?
No.
As you dey laugh, make you no forget to press that like button and share the video as e dey hot.
As wetting the hot.
I no get time for you.
Wait, where you dey go? You never tell the people wey never subscribe say make them subscribe oh. If you waka finish, shebi you go come meet me for Stadio Olimpico. We go kill ourselves for there. Momo man.